Welcome! Ladies' Choice and Smart Parenting created these co-creation activities to champion collaborative parenting. Let's get started! Are you and your kid game to bond over a simple kitchen activity? Egg Mayo Sandwich Relay Challenge. This activity is a chance to connect with your family over a shared goal and practice teamwork. Here's what you'll be needing. Ready ka na ba to make your favorite egg mayo sandwich in a relay game, anak?
What's a relay, Mom?
We will take turns to do one step of the recipe so we can help each other complete the dish. But the challenge is, we have to finish our parts in under 15 seconds each.
Let's do this!
First, let's break down the steps. We have to mash the eggs. Stir in the mayo and salt and pepper. Then, spread it on the toasted bread. Let's get the timer ready.
Okay, Mom.
Let's start mashing the eggs. Here we go!
You can do it, Mom.
Now, your turn. Time to put the mayonnaise, salt, and pepper, and mix.
I'm going as fast as I can.
You're doing great, anak! Let's assemble our sandwiches now.
We did it, Mom. We completed the challenge.
And here's our prize! A pair of Go Grow Glow sandwiches, which we can eat together to celebrate.
Yay! Sarap!
Bonding over kitchen activities, it's a good opportunity to create and learn something together, while being a safe space to communicate.
And I feel like Mom and I are part of the same team.
Yes, anak. We also get to practice teamwork. You did great today!
Look at the stars here, Mom.
Collect 10 memory stars to become a certified do-it-together mom and kid. And get the chance to earn rewards. Thank you for watching! Move on to the next co-creation activity by clicking on the next video here.